Welcome back, everybody. I really think that you're going to like this one. But first off, I don't know about you, but I'm enjoying all this nice weather here in Colorado Springs. Try to soak up as much as you can before it snows again. Alright, today I'm going to be taking apart a wireless drill, so here we go. Wireless drill. Wait a minute, something's a little screwy here. Oh yeah. Wow, look at that. It's all greasy in there. All this just comes right out. Alright, here's the motor, and there's a gear right here and a plate, and that gear attaches to these gears right here, and these all spin, if you can see here. They spin, and as they spin, the front part here spins. Cool. Here's the torque switch right there. Cool thing about this is that these this dial here, to change from setting 1 to setting 2, what I'm pretty sure happens is that when you change this little metal piece right here, it shifts all of the gear sets up and down. So I don't think you can see it, but there's this hollow gear about the size of this one right here that is moving up and down. So what's happening is that when this is being moved, the gear gets out of the way and it goes to one set of gears, but then when you push it, that gear comes up and engages with the next gear that will run a different set of gears. Thus, the motor is turning the same amount of revolutions per minute of the same speed, but when the gears are changed, it changes the speed into torque, which in this case, you can go at full speed, but then you change the gears, and then you can go at a lower speed, but it gives you a lot more torque so that you can drive a screw even further. It's really interesting. And these gears just come right out. Ooh, there it goes. So Here is the gear set that I was talking about. There we go. So yeah, these three gears right here and this gear are right here, and it turns on this, and as this gear is turning, these gears down here are also turning. And then wow, this is fascinating. Yep, and then see, this is what I was talking about. This gear, I don't know if you can see it, this gear moves up and down. And that's what I was talking about. Cool. Yep, and then we've just got the switch where the trigger is, and that tells the battery. So here's the battery. The battery is hooked up right here. Don't try this at home. So the battery's hooked up right here. Electricity goes to this motherboard right here, which then goes to a switch right here. So whenever I press this, turns the motor on and off. It also comes handy with a little LED light. So there it is.